Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Govee floor lamp. Let's go. Let's begin. So this obviously I got it from Amazon. I'm loving this knife. It's actually been very good to me. Normally I use a box cutter. I'm literally using this knife for these videos that I film, for any of my unboxings. It's very, very sharp. I say that, but then this Amazon packaging is pretty tough. Oh, nice. Let me put the knife away and let's be safe first. Just put that on the side. Interesting. So, made me to even get up. It's pretty heavy. When I say pretty heavy, it's not really that heavy. It's just I'm sitting down in an awkward angle. Right, it's 1500 lumens, as you can see here. It ranges from 2200 to 6500K. It's got around 16 million colors that it actually shows. 20,000 H for LED light. Okay, that's very nice. So it works with Alexa, works with Google. Now check this out, right? This is pretty crazy. The energy rating, it's an F. That's awful. It's awful. Basically, I'm not going to be using this and just leaving it plugged in 24/7. I literally got this for my YouTube content actually, because I don't really use lights at home. Our house is very well lit naturally, alhamdulillah. But yeah, so it's very nice. I've seen this on like reviewed. It's very highly reviewed. It's probably one of the best lights that anybody could get. So anyways, Govee Rgbicww floor lamp. Here's the model number, H6072, if you ever wanted to purchase one. By the way, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. So, yes, this is just an unboxing. I'll probably do a review another time. Interesting, so it's from China. Shenzhen. Oh, and it says made in China there anyway. So, I don't know why I was trying to locate it properly. I don't think I need the knife here. It says open. Yeah, this is disgusting. I'll do a nice little cut because I don't like the glue. Nice and easy, sweet and simple. No. Anyway, so your journey begins now. Govee, excellent. Download it. Oh yeah, sorry. So this has an app as well. The Govee app. This is how you control it. I actually tried to check if I can connect it to Apple Home. I don't think it's possible. I'll probably, well, I've not seen anything about it. Maybe I may be wrong. If I am, comment down below. Correct me. Anyways, Govee Dreamview is our syncing system. I don't know if you can see that there. The syncing system that allows any of your Govee lights to mirror your TV. Oh, that's very nice. That's actually pretty cool. I know there's another thing regarding this. You can basically, it syncs with music. The 6 styles, something I'm never going to be using because in Islam, music is prohibited. I don't listen to music. Yeah, as I said, it's just going to be a... The thing is, right, this has so much range and color. It's going to be awesome to just have a different color for my videos, etc. It's excellent. I love it. I love this. Right, okay. I'm saying I love it. But the thing is, obviously, we'll find out how great it is. So, it's got the controls. This is just a normal user manual. Oh yeah, this comes with a remote as well. A quick start guide. I think this is what's going to be most important. model, blah blah, English, metal slot. Yeah, so you need to actually build this. Obviously, this isn't the whole thing here. I'm just going to take all the items out just to show you all what comes inside the box. And then building it, I'm not going to show you this in this video because, yeah, it's probably going to take me a few minutes to do. And I don't have the space. This isn't a professional studio. This is my office space that I film in. I don't know if you guys actually knew that, but this is where I film here. It's actually my home office, and I work here. I've just framed the camera so you can't see any of my work stuff. This is interesting. Why is it box like this? I thought it'd be a flat box, and then you could take it out like this. But it's like you need to keep it this way. You can see here, obviously the lamp stands there. But let me put that down. Let me take it out. Okay, so this is the stand, and you connect this to the power. Obviously the power and stuff is going to be in here. This is the RGB LED light thing where you're going to connect it. Yeah, and let me show you here. So it's very nice actually. So this is the bottom of it. If you wanted to have a look, it's got a little LED slot there, I believe. But it says Govee. Just put that to the side for now. Open up the boxes. Nice power. It's a power brick. A lot of little screws. Ooh, oh, okay. So this is the remote, right? And you can put this magnet on it once it's fully fit, and then you can just connect it like that. So if I ever needed the remote. Sorry. I'm most likely going to leave the remote on my desk anyways. It's just something to keep near me when I need it. Control the lights. It's a little screwdriver. That's what this is. For the little screws. It's a Phillips screwdriver. I think I've moved all these boxes away. Nice, it's got a little slip there, so obviously the battery's not been activated. That's nice that they give a battery as well, because some people just don't do any of that. Oh, if you just wanted to see the remote model and stuff, here it is. Just press pause on the video or something. Right, the power brick. Right, this is a 200 to 200 volt, no sorry, to 1 amp max, 1.5 output, 36 watt for LED modules only. So if you have a read of that, you can again just press pause on the video. Nothing else in here. Nice. Put that away. Let's see what's in here, right? This should be all the connectors to connect. Oh, 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 that's very interesting. It's nice that they actually put it in like that, because at the end of the day, it would move around. There's only, that's crazy actually. There's only 3, it looks like. But that's a huge box to put it in. He seems very high quality actually. I don't want to bang it, but oh, there's little slots in here as well. Obviously, when I'm fitting it, I'm gonna need to sink these little holes. I think so. This is the top. Whoops, that nearly fell out. This is the top, as you can see there, and again these have holes. Interestingly enough, without looking at the manual, it's probably there and then here. To be fair, do you know what? I might as well build this now. Let me put this scroll list down. I know I said I wasn't going to, guys, but it seems very, very simple, I hope. Yeah, there. So there's a little connection that you need to put it through. So this is another thing. I don't think I ever read manuals. I just try to figure it out myself. Ooh. I'm not happy about that. Check this out. Can you see that little damage there? I didn't do that. It looks like it came like that. It's a little bit bent. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. But at the end of the day, there we go. So I think I need to put these screws in. Let's open this. Take all of these little screws out. Oh, this is magnetic. That's awesome. It's a magnetic screwdriver. It's not really focusing, but yeah. Anyways, let's be surgical here when we're putting it in. There we go, DIY. This is basically what this is. Interesting, there's a little gap there. Oh, that's because that's the top one not coming through. There we go. So I'm literally just gonna put this in, and then yeah, I don't think I can show you the full construction of this. The reason is I'm gonna have to show you my floor and stuff, and I don't think there's any point on me doing that. You guys know the gist, how it is. Just to show you, this will obviously connect down here again the same way that this is, and then this will connect on here. One thing here, this is the LED strip. Nearly damaged my hand there on some plastic. Anyways, you connect this little strip there, and this goes directly into this part here. Sorry, let's put that away. Into here, and it obviously will be a long one. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope you got a quick look at what's in the box for the Govee floor lamp. Cost wise, to be fair, it wasn't. To be fair, it was expensive. Do you know what? I say everything's expensive. The reason is I don't really. I say I don't like spending money. Sadly, I do spend a lot of money. But yeah, it's something that's essential. It's needed. So this is with all the lights off in the room. Well, besides one in the back, as you can see the yellow. But I'm just going to change some modes just so you guys can have a look as well. So it's color modes, different colors. That's how bright it goes. That's insanely bright. Let's make it cool. Wow, it's like a light saber, is what I can say. It's crazy. All warm. That's cool mode apparently. I want to dim that down by a bit. Okay, that was by quite a lot. But anyways, yeah, you can change the color, and obviously with the app, you have so many more settings that you can play around with. Very, very nice.
Did you enjoy this video? If you did, pop a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Comment down below if you have anything you want to say to me, or if you want me to make any future videos on whatever you want. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you next time. Take care.